Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit3 band, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smart band. Start. If you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smart band, your band needs to be paired with your phone via the Galaxy wearable application. And once the devices are paired together, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the app to basically send the notifications to your smart band. To do it, we can open the Galaxy wearable application. And if you don't have the required permissions allowed, you may see this pop-up on the screen. Basically, allow Galaxy wearable to read your notifications. If you see this pop-up, tap on allow. Scroll down, find the Galaxy Fit3 plugin, tap on it. Tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, then go back to the app. And now we can tap on band settings and then tap on notifications. Here we can tap on app notifications and we can turn on the notifications for specific apps or all the apps if you want to. And if you see any pop-ups about permissions, make sure to allow them. Okay, so now let's allow the permission, or rather the notifications, for example, for the Discord. And how it works is basically if you turn on the notifications for Discord and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your smart band. If you disable it, you will see the notification only on your phone. It won't be forwarded to your smart band basically. So enable the notifications for the apps you want, then go back, and here we can customize the notifications a little bit further. We can tap on show phone notifications on band, and we have only when phone is not used. So basically, if the screen on your phone is turned off, then you will see the notifications on your smart band. Or if you select this option rather, show phone notifications when phone is in use. So basically, even though the screen is turned on your phone, you will see the notifications on your device, or rather on the smart band. We can also turn on the option to mute the notifications on phone if you like to. So you will see them on your smart band, but on the phone they will be muted. And you can also tap on advanced notifications, and here we can turn on options like notification indicator, show with details, turn on the screen when you receive the notifications, and auto turn on band notifications for the new phone apps. So if you enable this option and some new app is installed on your phone, it will turn on the notifications for it automatically. Okay, and once you're done customizing the settings, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna open Discord, log in into an account, and then I'm gonna send myself a message to check if it's working. Okay, we are logged in, so I'm gonna send myself a message now. Oh, right, the do not disturb mode is enabled on our phone, so I'm gonna disable it. And also, let's check the watch. On the watch, we also have enabled the do not disturb mode. Okay, so let's try again. I'm gonna send myself a message. Let's clear the notification here. Okay, send the message on the Discord. And so let's close this. We got the notification on our phone, but on the watch it's not here. Oh, never mind, it appeared. So we needed to wait a second or two. And as you can see here, we have our notification. We can tap on it, and we can also reply, tap on show on phone, or block notifications if you want to block them and don't see anymore. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.